Hey you, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to withdraw your money from Bitpanda. And the first thing that you need to know, I don't have any money standing on this account, but I know exactly where you need to be because right here we only see trade or deposit right here. But if you want to withdraw our money, the only thing how we can do this is clicking right here on Discover Stocks on this place. And then from here, we go right here to transfer. And now we can select right here, withdraw cash. So this means that if you want to withdraw cash, you need to have cash standing on your account. So right now he is asking us, from which wallet would you like to withdraw? I don't have any cash standing on accounts, but normally when you are having an account with money, you can click right here on that account, then click on continue, and then you can decide how you want to withdraw your money. So this is the place where you need to do it. I can show you right now more than this. So hopefully this was a little bit the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.